0511, you can call on me. When them dark days come and you're looking for a way out, lean on me a little, watch the sun bring a ray out. After 10 it feels like you wanna stay out, cause trouble living in your house, waiting on your couch. But you don't want the conflict, you just wanna live your life free of anybody trying to take your sanity. Believe me, it ain't you with the problem, and physical altercations is not the way to solve them. Never blame yourself, you are not at fault here. Never be okay with anyone who has a fist near your face or the words to disgrace. Take a look inside the mirror and you'll see just what I mean. The images in movies are strictly to entertain. Yes, we learn from the struggles, you can die from the pain. Live my own. Make sure that you link me, cause I don't wanna see you cry, rather see you flourish. That's why I try to surround you with sentiments that nourish. I'm a lover by my nature, but some men are insecure, rich in the wallet but mentally so poor. They try to make the difference up by holding down women, fighting with them mentally, cheating and other sinning. But you don't have to take that, you are no possession. You deserve a man who will love you.